Hello, welcome to Arts and Woods. This is Tanisha Arora. Today I will be showing you one more beautiful dining set which is in teak wood with antique gold paint. In this dining set we have 6 chairs without handles as you can see, and with a very beautiful heavy carved table in the center. Generally, you have seen the concept of master chairs, in which we have two chairs with handles and rest of the chairs are without handles. If you want that concept, then we can customize as per your requirement. And if you want all the chairs with handles, then we can customize that too. This is a 6-seater dining set. And if you talk about the dimensions, then it is 6 by 4 feet. If we talk about the chairs, then the chairs of this dining set are double carved. And when we talk about the double carving concept, then the dining should be placed in the middle of the room so that it can be visible from all the sides. If you want 8-seater or 10-seater or more than 10-seater dining set, then we can customize as per your requirement, because as you know, Arts and Woods makes choice wala furniture. Or for more design, you can visit our website artsandwoods.com. There you will find a lot of design. You can choose from there, or you can send your own design as well. Arts and Woods can make that for you and send to your home. As you know, we deliver in India and out of India. So please contact. The number is right here. We will be happy to talk with you. Thank you.